Department of Education, no, specifically in the Dumaguete City Division, has programs and initiatives, no, pertaining to family and support to family and the learners. DepEd Dumaguete Cares, it's an online platform that serves as a portal for mental health, psychosocial support, and career guidance to our learners. No? Not only learners are involved, but also parents, no, if they have problems in schools, maybe they have problems with their grades or problems with how they study in school. No, we have an online portal wherein our RGCs, or registered guidance counselors, can cater to them, no, and address what are the mental health issues of our learners. No, di ta ka-judge, no, on what they are undergoing, no, because sometimes financial or parents, no, mother, father who are into this kind of things, no, but we have been consistent in assisting them, especially the provision of psychosocial support and psychological first aid to the learners, not only their learners but their parents, no, because last year it's sad to inform everyone that we have actually actual suicide cases in our division. So that's one thing that we will look into, because aside from the discipline aspect, this mental health, you know, is one of the problems in our division. So we have our registered guidance counselors and then respective teacher advisors, guidance designates in our schools to help us monitor the status of the mental health of our children.